How to create t-shirt designs to sell on Teespring. Hi guys, today I'm going to teach you how you can create t-shirt designs to sell on Teespring. But before we start, what is Teespring first of all? Teespring is an e-commerce platform that allows users to create and sell custom designed products online. The platform offers a range of products, including t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, stickers, phone case, and more. Users can create their designs using the Teespring design tool or upload their products. Then, set their prices and profit margins. Teespring handles the manufacturing, shipping, and customer service and pays out the profits to the user once the products are sold. Teespring is popular among creators, influencers, and online entrepreneurs looking to monetize their audience by selling branded merchandise. Now, the first thing we're going to do is first create an account in teespring.com. Now, to create an account, we're simply going to click on Start Creating. Then this will redirect us to the sign up page of Spring, where we need to enter our name or our brand name, our email, password, and then confirm that we are not a robot. I'm going to put in our brand name, which is Coffee World, then my email, then create a password. Then I am not a robot. Then I'm simply going to click on sign up. Now, after signing up, we're simply going to click on this button on the top right that says start creating. Now we are redirected to this page where we have the options to browse all product or start creating our design right away. For now, we're going to click on browse all product, and I'm going to show you all the products that we can create a design and sell. Over here, we can see that we can create t-shirt designs, classic hoodies, mugs, different hats. We also have a beanie. We could also create tote bags, an Apple Watch, jigsaw puzzle, bucket hats, backpacks, iPhone clear case, notebooks, desk mats. There's also trending categories such as digital, apparel, accessories, new to spring, conscious collections, and home. Now you can create your own design inside. Now you can create your own design inside Teespring, or you can use other websites such as Canva, or you can use the AI called Midjourney to create designs for you, just like I did over here, where I asked Midjourney to create me designs that I like a different logos, different arts, and many more. Now, going back to Spring, what we're simply going to do now is we're going to choose a product that we want, and we're going to choose a t-shirt. Then we're simply going to click on create. And then we are redirected to this page over here where we can create our t-shirt design. I'm going to choose a black color because it's very difficult to see our t-shirt design. And as you can see here, we have multiple options such as add an image, we can add text, we can choose our product colors like I did just now. We could set our pricing from US to UE, and then this is our product price over here. You can increase it if you want, and as you notice on the right side, there is this info that says 9.73 profit sale, and this is what we will receive after we successfully sell a product of ours, and the rest of the money would be sent to our partners in teespring.com. You could also click on advance, and then we would be able to see more options such as select feature view, front or back, just like here. Going to click on back. You can also change the feature color and a lot more. Now what we're going to do is not now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this add image. Then I'm going to add an image that I created, that I asked Midjourney to create for me. Then we're going to use that as an image for our design. Now, as you can see here, this is our design over here. We're simply going to make our design much bigger, like that. But unfortunately, our quality is a bit poor, so I'm going to make it smaller, like that. and then we're going to put it elsewhere on our t-shirt, just like that. And then we can click on preview over here, and as you can see, this is what our t-shirt looks like right now. The background doesn't fit much well because it's not the same color, but we can simply make it bigger, and then just like that. We can also have this as our design. We could remove this by clicking delete, and we could add other images that we want to use. For example, I'm going to use this photo over here. We can use this as our t-shirt design. Then we can change the color of our t-shirt to white, and like this. And we can have this as our t-shirt that we can sell in Teespring. And you could also add that text if you want, just like this. Then you can add whatever message you want. I'm simply going to delete this for now. And then after designing your t-shirt, you could also go to the back by clicking on the option on the top. And we would be able to add an image for our back part also. So I'm going to add our image, but I'm going to make it small so that it's a bit different from the front view. Just like that, and then we could simply go back to the front. And then I'm going to click on design. Then I'm going to click on preview to see what our design looks like right now. This is what our design looks like right now. And this is the back part. The back part was not saved. Oh, there it is. The back part is just a small version of the front part. And then after editing your t-shirt, you can simply click on continue over here. We would be redirected to this page where we can add more items to our product with the design that we have just created. For example, we can have this classic tee, we can have this long sleeve design, we can have this sweater design. There's also stickers for this, and we can also create hoodies and many more products. Now you can add these products to the items that you want to sell by simply clicking on this, and then the item would be added to on this left side. We're going to choose one more, for example, this sticker. It's like that. And then if you want to remove an option, you can simply click on this delete button over here. And then this will get rid of the excess product that you have selected. Now we're simply going to click on continue once again. And then over here, we would need to create a title. For example, for now, I'm going to put in orange t-shirt. Then you can add a description for our product. I'm going to add a temporary description. And you can also go and click on the advanced where you can create a URL handle, change the visibility, or add to existing store. And then after that, I'm just simply going to click on launch listing. Then we're going to wait for it to finish creating our product. And just like that, we have successfully uploaded our t-shirt design into Teespring, and then we are now able to sell this product into our store. We could also click this share URL. Then we can check out what our product looks like in our store. And as you can see, this is what our product looks like in our store. We could see the similar products over here. We could add cart. We could change the size over here. You could also see the prices and descriptions, product details, delivery details, and many more. And that's it, guys. That's how you can create a t-shirt design to sell on Teespring. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.